Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to join the Forsaken Discord server, step by step. Let's get started. First, open Roblox on your PC and log into your account. Next, use the search bar at the top to type Forsaken and look for the official experience. Click on it to go to the game page. And after that, scroll down to the social links section near the bottom. Here you'll see the Discord icon, then click it. A message will appear saying you'll be redirected to a website. Click continue to open the invite in your browser. Once the page opens, click the blue accept button and you'll land in the rules channel to make sure to read them carefully. After that, you can start exploring all the server channels. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.